Hello value friends and welcome back to another stock value video. Today our focus is RMN holding. As we pointed out in our previous analysis, after the stock failed to hold about the $430 level back on June 18, it pulled right back to key Fibonacci 50% retracement level. This 50% retracement sits exactly around the 316.17 mark. Now, Friday closing price action was actually quite ironical. Let's zoom into the hourly chart to see the real details. We actually started the session looking pretty good, pushing higher in the first hours of trading. But then, a wave of the selling pressure stepped in, dragging the stock all the way down to $315 level. For the last 3 hours of the day, it just moved sideways. In the final hour, we saw a tiny bit of the momentum trying to curve the head back up, but honestly, we are sitting at a very strange pivot point. To be completely honest with you guys, Friday close didn't feel the genuine to me. It felt a bit sketchy, and it's make me cautious. Looking back to the beginning of the June, we saw the stock drops around to $306 before the bouncing back up to $316. Right now, ARM looks ready to continue its sideways consolidation. As long as we don't break below that $306 floor, we will likely spend some time stuck inside the wide range, $306 on the bottom and the $440-$50 resistance zone on the top. But what happens if things get worse? If we break below the $306, next key level is the Fibonacci 61% retracement at $290. This is the golden ratio. It's highly possible we could slide to $290 and find a strong reversal right there. Keep a close eye on it. On the bullish side, if we can break and close above the $450, then our higher targets come into play. We could easily see $515, $560, eventually around to $600. How long will that take? It could take 1, 3, or maybe 6 months, roughly 2 quarters of trading. Lately, trading volume has been drying up, which of the hints that a consolidation is ending and a move is quicking. This 68% range could be a beautiful playground for the day traders and swing traders to buy the dips. If you enjoyed this update and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to help us with algorithm. Also, if you have any question, drop them into the comments below. I will personally reply and help you out as much as I can. I want to keep the Stock Valley channel 100% free, no paid VIP groups, no hidden premium rooms. The more questions you ask, the more support I will give right here in the comments. Wishing you all massive profits and see you in the next video.